In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export users from HubSpot. We'll start right from the beginning so nothing is missed. Open your browser and head to your search engine, then type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the right workspace and that your user has permission to view and export user data. If you're not an admin, you may need an admin to grant you access before you can proceed. Once you're in, look toward the top of the HubSpot interface for the gear icon. That gear is your Settings menu. Click it to open the full Settings area. This is where all account-level controls live. In the Settings sidebar, find and select Users and Teams. This page lists your users, their roles, and their statuses. If you don't see users and teams, you likely don't have the necessary permissions, so check with an administrator. Before exporting, it's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the right view. The export will reflect what's visible in the table, so any filters, search, or columns you've chosen will carry into the file. If you need specific fields, adjust your columns first so your export contains exactly what you expect. Now look for the Export View option on the Users and Teams page. Click it to begin the export. HubSpot will prompt you to choose a file format. Typically, you'll see options like CSV or XLSX. Choose CSV if you plan to import the file into another tool, upload it somewhere else, or open it with Google Sheets or a database. Choose XLSX if you'll be working primarily in Microsoft Excel and want native formatting. Either way, you're getting the same data. It's just about what's most convenient for your workflow. After selecting the format, confirm by clicking Export. Depending on how many users you have, HubSpot may need a moment to prepare the file. You don't need to stay on this page while it processes, but keep HubSpot open. When the export is ready, check your notification center inside HubSpot. Look for the bell icon at the top of the screen. Click it, and you'll find a notification with a link to download your export file. Click to download, then store it securely. User lists often contain personal data, so follow your organization's data handling and retention policies. If you chose CSV, open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool and verify the columns and values look correct. If something's missing, go back, adjust the view or columns, and export again. And that's it. You've successfully exported users from HubSpot quickly and cleanly with the right format for your needs.